guy has a problem. He has a problem that so many service and contractor businesses have. Chaos. Everything is chaotic because there are no systems. There are no specified approach to how each and every aspect of their business. 3 to 5 years old to have these kind of problems. They are good problems to have because it means you're in a high potential business. It means you have an opportunity to build something truly awesome. You see that board behind him? That is his CRM. And that looks funny, but you already know that. You probably have such a system. The only way to know what you're doing is if you have to manually go and check these things. Businesses at this level tend to grow, and research actually shows that they tend to grow some years. They tend to grow over 50% year on year. Unfortunately, they also tend to go down hard at the same rate. And if you don't contain your business at this time, either you contain its growth or you create systems that support the growth, businesses tend to crash at the rate of callbacks, at the rate of mistakes, clients requesting refunds, and all that. This is because all these things, all this chaos is going to create leads are going to be plenty, but there will be very poor follow up of those leads. There is no visibility or awareness of how much it is costing your job, what is needed to do the estimates, when the estimates are supposed to come in, because speed is everything when it comes to business. Finding the right balance between being too fast and being too slow, being there, that optimal position. So these businesses are going to have, because they are not able to get that balance, poor payment collections, and there will be a lot of waste in this business. And how do you get out of all this chaos? And I've said over and over again, start creating simple business systems because they tend to remove you from the chaos every single day. You optimize one item. For example, when it comes to estimation, job estimation, this is something that is supposed to be very simple. And every other field operator in your company should be able to do these estimations. Because all you need is to create a simple template of how you estimate and train your team on how to do it. Because if you're the one doing all these estimates, you're going to forget. But if there is someone tasked to make sure that every estimate is sent at the right time, at the right speed, then you're creating a system that can indeed help you support the growth that you are in. Thank you for watching.